Shubor nakashlem jong unong san Hima.
Ka All Meghalaya Karate Do Association kelas dang ya ka 32nd State Level Inter-School Karate Tournament araja arpuhenrio haka arpulai trik naitung araja arpuhenrio ha multi-purpose indoor sports hall jong ka SAI Training Center. Haka ni kalumpung lawan Bynta da praspa Ngut kinong Bynta kan theibat shenrang na ki shispa arpuhenrio tadi ki school jong ni gajela hak jile kai kata bat komite. Yakni kalumpong lawan ban play the working president ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association uba John F. Khashiyim haringkat kejinon lang general secretary uba finally El Pariat kirkhot nong kirkam ka amka bat kiwi. Kani kalumpong kadai ke baju penong mana usnam na kabenta ban jiat ikinong yele kai bakensai ki ban mi khmat ni gajela shakilumpong yele kai national level bat ru ban penkre ya ka national games ke bandong ha usnam aja arpo hanyo hakani gajela.
I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the All Meghalaya Karate Inter-School Karate Tournament Organizing Committee for having organized this event, which I have tried to be part of every time you have this tournament. And I must say that you are one of the few state associations who have the inter-school program. So let's give all of you a clap that you have this program.